Hello mga padaba! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Diyos marhay na aldaw sa Indogabos. Once again, this is VG, your Bicolana travel blogger. And before we proceed to our activity number 3, let's recap our previous activities. At kapag bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, just click the suggested video na makikita mo dito sa taas ng ATV Ride Adventure and Cagsawa Ruins. Those two places are located in Daraga Albay, and now our third destination is located in Camalig Albay. Let's go to Sumlang Lake. Probably one of the reasons visiting Albay is to see the astonishing Mayon Volcano, which is dubbed as world's most perfect cone volcano. And we perfectly agree to that. It's not just perfect, it's overwhelmingly beautiful. Mayon Volcano is remarkably bewitching, and you'll be getting 360 view wherever you go. But you can find a different view of Mayon in Camalig Albay. There is where Sumlang Lake is. Let me give you a brief history. Sumlang Lake was once just filthy waters covered with water lilies and competing for views of the Mayon Volcano site. It was ignored for many decades. However, in 2004, the residents decided to develop the 14-hectare area to unearth its attraction. The covering water lilies and debris that had built up were removed, and now it is one of the prominent attraction spots in Albay. The place has a stylish set of chairs and art pieces distributed around, which provide a more appealing ambience. And there's a lot of activities can be enjoyed up. There is a floating cottage. You can ride the bamboo raft. You can do paddle boarding or kayaking, and of course, the trip will not be complete without selfies, this time with Mayon Volcano as your background. And for sure, you will ask how to get there. Camalig Albay is 30 minutes away from Daraga and an hour if coming from Legazpi. And kapag wala po kayong sasakyang dala, kagaya namin, if you are coming from Legazpi, you can ride a jeep going to Daraga, then from Daraga LCC Mall or Public Market, take the jeep with signage, Pulanggi, Ginubatan or Camalig. Then you can tell the driver to drop you off Agri Village or just tell them you're heading to Sumlang Lake. Then from there, you can hire a tricycle or you can walk about 15 to 25 minutes. But how about the entrance and other fees? Nothing to worry. Fees are very affordable. The entrance fee per head is only 20 pesos. O diba? It's very affordable. Kayang-kaya. Really worth talaga. And if you're going to do their activities like Balsa Tour is only 25 pesos per head. Kayaking is 50 per head for every 30 minutes. And for aqua biking, there is 50 pesos per head for 30 minutes. And for the floating cottage is 200 per hour. FYI lang po, for the floating cottage fees, which is 200 pesos, that package is good for 8 to 10 people and very worth the cost. Float on a bamboo platform along the Sumlang Lake while roofed by a nipa hat with a tour guide to assist you. While on the floating cottage, you'll be able to witness just how simple the beauty of nature is. And for the Balsa Tour or riding in a bamboo raft, if you are a group of 2 or 3 people, this refreshing activity at Sumlang Lake is a budget-friendly option. Aside from this, try out kayaking or aqua biking. You could make a competition out of by racing along the Sumlang Lake. To top it all, Picture shot can be taken with Mount Mayon as the perfect backdrop. If you want to experience a calm and relaxing atmosphere, I will suggest you to visit Sumlang Lake. This can be experienced by everyone from all ages, whether it's a rain or shine activity that visitors and tourists can enjoy. Marahil ay nagtataka kayo kung makikita nyo dito sa picture yung power sign and sa mga previous pictures namin because I let my friends to take a picture together with this power sign because this is a sign of opportunity or success. And I would like to thanks to JC Premier for these blessings. A blessings that continuously sharing to my family, friends, and for those people who needs help. And to tell you honestly, napakasarap sa pakiramdam na may napapasaya kang mga tao even in a little way. Abay kung post lang ang pag-uusapan, sanay na sanay kami dyan. Kami ang mga ex-tambunting ladies. And this is our Sumlang Lake Challenge. How about yours? Hope you enjoy watching my adventure together with my friends. And that is our activity number 3. At samahan nyo kami sa aming 4th destination, which is we're going to Huyup-Huyupan Cave. Thank you for watching. Diyos mabalos!